Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a newsletter in HubSpot. Now once you're logged in, come on the left hand panel, and if you hover over here on this megaphone icon, you can go ahead and click on email. And from here it's where we will go ahead and create a newsletter. Okay? Alright, so when you are on this page, go ahead and click on create email. We can click on regular, and now we can go ahead and click on next. So they're going to ask you to select a template. Okay, you can come here. They have a lot of templates. Of course, you can go ahead and create your own new template as well, completely from scratch, or you can go ahead and edit their own templates. I'll come here and click on a newsletter and use one of theirs. So this one right here, we can go ahead and edit this. Let's do this one. Of course, you can start your own from scratch if you would like. I'll just choose this template just to show you. Okay. All right, so here would be your company logo. So I can go ahead and click on this and add our image. So we're going to replace this. We already had updated, uploaded our logo here. There you go. So I'll go ahead and click on that. We have added our company logo. This is too big. We have to make it a little small. Let's do 150 by 150. That looks much better. So here, add your image, okay, or a video. So let's say you want to embed a video, right? You just go ahead and get the URL. So let's say this video right here. So I'll right click, copy link, come back here. So let's say this is the image, right? Instead of the image, we want a video. So you come here, click on add. We'll use this module here, bring it here, right? And then I will go ahead and add the video URL. You can click here, or you can just embed it right here. There you go. And that is what it will look like. You can change the height, of course. Let's go and remove this image first. Of course, guys, everything here is customizable. Everything. So I've deleted that. And we come back here, click on this, right? Let's say you change it to 400 for the width, and you increase the height as well accordingly, right? Just go ahead and play along. Of course, you can click on this for the text, edit this text, right? Everything here, guys, is editable. So we can edit anything here in the template design as well, the body color to match our branding. You can go ahead and do that as well. Whatever seems appropriate to you and your brand. I'll pick this one. This one looks nice. So here, add an image, right? And once you're happy, guys, you can just come here, click on review and send. So it will show you anything that is missing. We need a recipient. So we'll go ahead and select here. I had a contact list. Here we go. So we'll add that. And if there is any contacts you don't want it to send to, you can go ahead and choose your individual contacts or a whole contact list. And now let's see, a subject line. So let's say you can type in anything, of course. I'll just type in answer AC for now. Now we just need a company name and address. Just put in these details, save your changes, and then you can send it over. And it's really that easy and simple.